Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix the problem that you cannot play this video in your Android phone. I can show the problem first, that the video cannot be played. So let me guide how to fix this problem. You have to just move back and make sure that if you are facing this problem in your file manager or in your video player, you have to just change the location of your video. You have to move that video in the drive and then try to open that video. But if you are still facing the same problem, then you have to just click on the three dots here and then scroll down, and here you will find an option of open with. Just click on it and then it will take a time for processing and it will be successfully open in our Android phone. Now I try to open it like this. As you can see that it has been opened successfully. If this method not work for you have to check your internet connection. If you have weak internet connection, so that may be the problem. If still you are facing the same issue, then you have to just open your Play Store and search here the HD video player. Okay, now you have to just install this app. By using this, all the videos can be played successfully without any problem. If this app not work for you, you have to just install another app which is named as Video Format Factory. Okay, just install this app, and by using this you can convert your video format to anyone that supports your Android or iPhone. That are the some solutions that can be help you to fix this problem. I hope you all like this video. Give this video like and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide for more information. Thanks for watching.